Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel today. I'm in the house with a nice Spyderco. Right over here I've got the Drunken, designed by Dmitry Sinkevich for a quick review. But hey, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, check out fablades.com and at Fablades on Instagram, and let me know what you guys think in the comments over here about this pretty cool fella. It is a Dmitry Sinkevich design. It's one of my favorite knife designer and makers. And this collaboration with the Spyderco, it's of about a couple of years ago, I think. It is a truly stunning one. It is a very nice knife, guys. Carbon fiber milled scales, like with this wavy pattern, which is hard to see on camera, but trust me, it's there. Titanium hardware, blue anodized pivot, oversized. Matching titanium sculpted back spacer, also blue anodized, matching the tip-up carry only. Titanium pocket clip. Right over here in the back you can see the wavy pattern milled out in the titanium frame lock. That is this guy right over here. Look at that. I mean, very nicely done. You can appreciate all the facets of this back side, like of the scale. Look at this. Very well done milling for sure. This is coming out from the factory in Taichung in Taiwan, as you can read from here. It is the best factory for Spyderco. Look at this mirror polished kind of finish going on here for the blade. Pretty much the same finish of the Paisan, the higher end knives coming from Spyderco. This is one of the best Spyderco knives I've ever had. Together with the Paisan, yeah, that was a pretty cool one, and some other, like also all of them coming from the Taichung factory. This is a pretty cool titanium frame lock. You have like a thumb hole over here. There's not really much room like to do like a spidey flick. You can still manage to do it, but the primary deployment method is going to be with the thumb flick. This guy comes with a stainless steel lock face insert screwed in with 2 screws from the inside, so no lock stick going on. You got internal skeletonization for the lock side, and you have like I think it's a steel liner nested into the carbon fiber scale with some skeletonization going on to give extra rigidity to the overall structure. Pretty simple construction. The sound is pretty nice. This guy is running on washers, but you can see it's pretty smooth. You gotta wiggle a little bit to get it closed, but it's pretty good. Also, like the Ergos are very nice, kind of like a chef knife. You see, you have like this handle like raised, so your finger can be in this finger groove and your cutting task. Boom, it's gonna be great, especially with this S90V steel. But hey, if you wanna know more, please check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.